Hi, Brendan from Metra Electronics. For the first time ever, Heise is now offering headlight upgrades for 2014 and 2018 Indian motorcycles with a full fairing. Both the 7-inch headlight and the 4.5-inch auxiliary light are available in your choice of a black or silver finish. These lights are constructed using an aluminum housing and polycarbonate lens for durability and longevity. We then added a gore port to prevent moisture fogging and finished them with a high-power Cree LED for unparalleled performance. The tools required to perform the upgrades are a 5/32 Allen key, a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx and socket set, and a Dremel or other cutting tool. Before starting the disassembly of the motorcycle, disconnect the battery to prevent accidentally shorting the electrical system. Begin with the headlight replacement. Unscrew and unclip the headlight trim panel and set it aside. Next, unscrew the headlight retaining ring and disconnect and remove the headlight and the headlight basket. The rear portion of the headlight basket will need to be trimmed out to allow for proper fitment of the replacement light. Once the basket is trimmed, you then reinstall it along with the headlight and headlight retaining ring. To replace the auxiliary light, you will first need to remove the front fairing. This is accomplished by removing the screws on the lower side of the speaker pods, the screws inside the speaker pods, and along the lower edges of the fairing. You also need to remove the screws directly in front of the windshield. At this point, the fairing can be removed, disconnecting the auxiliary lights and turn signals. Replace the OE auxiliary lights with the new Heise auxiliary lights using the factory hardware. Once you have reconnected the fairing lights, check to make sure that everything is working correctly before reassembling. These new lights will give your Indian a great look with the outstanding performance you've been craving. Look for the HE-BHL 701 and HE-SHL 701 for headlights, as well as the HE-BAL 451 and SAL 451 auxiliary lights at your local Metra dealer. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at heiseled.com, metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.